Welcome to my channel. Today we are making ginger beer. So here we have some ginger. So I'm gonna add 4 cups of water to this pot, put on the stove to hot or to boil. So 4 cups of water in this pot. All right. We're gonna put this on the stove over here. Enough time. So we're gonna cut up these ginger and we're gonna blend them. This is very easy. So we're making ginger beer. Ginger beer. So we're gonna cut up these ginger. Yeah. So this is very simple and easy. Cut your ginger. Have you got to blend them? So we just put them in smaller pieces. That's the easier blending process. Nothing hard. Jamaican ginger beer. All right. We just cut them up. We gotta put them in the blender. So we just cut them in a reasonable size. So blender can. All right, put some of them. So that's my jar. I'm blending the jar for the blender. So I think you can see this. Let's put in the pieces in the jar. So we're making ginger beer the Jamaican way. All right. So no more peanut oil in it, so I'm gonna put this aside for now. Finish cut up the rest. So I think I've got 2 times. Ginger beer. Do remember the ginger beer, the process is not a boiling process, it's a draw. So you have to bring the water to a boil, and then you throw the blend ginger inside it, cover it down, and leave it for a couple of hours, and then strain it off and sweeten it with sugar or whatever sweetener you want to use. And that's it. So this, I'm finished cutting the ginger now. So, all right. I gotta blend my ginger, so I can take this away. Put my blender in center stage. No, that's not the blender. That's the case. This is the blender. All right, so, sorry. Gotta blend my ginger. So to blend my ginger, we'll add some water to the blender. All right, I think that is enough. So, gonna take out some of this. If I got a blend tool time, I'm gonna share it off and off with the blend under less pressure. So that's now. You gotta put enough water to cover over the ginger. So we gotta blend this. Yeah, just enough water, bring it up. Let me blend. Gotta get nice. So that is good enough. So we gotta chill the blend ginger in this container. So we gotta blend the rest of my ginger. So we put this aside a little. The rest of my ginger. All right. So we gotta add enough water to just cover the ginger or just the same level. So add water. That's enough. We gotta blend. Gotta get noisy again. So we're making ginger beer. That was too long, so sorry about that. Don't have to blend so long. So that's the blending of my ginger. Okay, so we're making ginger beer here. So you can put the blend out of the way. So this is the blend ginger. This is what the ginger blending look like. So we got to put this. So we're going over here, over to the stove. So that's my pot. So we're going over to the stove. All right. So that's boiling water. So all we're doing here now is just add the ginger. So we just add the ginger to the water. So we're not making this boil. So after you add the ginger, you can just give it like 1 minute, lock it off, leave it, and make it do the extracting process. So if you wish, stir it around. You can just stir it around if you wish. So the only reason why I gotta give it 1 minute, because the water we put in the boiling water was cold, so we want to bring it to that proper heat. So we're not boiling it, we're just drawing the ginger. So I'm gonna leave it here for 1 minute, then I lock it off and cover it down. I'm leaving it open. I'm gonna see that's it don't boil. I don't want it boil. So I'm just leaving it so you can see what take place. So I leave it open. We're not boiling it. So I just want for you to see that. Give it like a minute or so. Yeah, so we're not boiling it, so we're gonna lock off this fire and leave it to draw. So we are drawing the ginger, we're not boiling the ginger. Do remember that. It's very important. If you make it come to a boil, it'll taste different. That'll have that nice ginger flavor. So see, I didn't boil it. So we can get super hot. No boiling, no boiling. Do remember that, no boiling. Turn the fire off. If you could smell it, ginger is strong. So we cover and leave to draw. No more heat. Matter of fact, I could take this off the stove and put it one side. No more heat. See it? No fire. No more fire. Remember that. You are not boiling it, just drawing it. Very important to remember that. If you make it boil, that'll taste different. That'll taste insipid. So for this knife, so I gotta use, so when it comes to a draw, I gotta, all I will be adding to it is some sugar. So this is my sugar, so that's all I gotta add to it. I gotta use sugar to sweeten it. So it all depends on what kind of sweetener you guys want to use, but I will be using sugar to sweeten it. So that's my sugar. So I'm gonna strain it, sweeten it, and that's my ginger beer. Okay, so for the live streaming, I'll be share with you guys when I'm mixing the ginger beer, but I have to wait till the ginger beer come to a draw. So it wouldn't make sense I wait that long. So I'll be streaming when I'm doing the mixing of the ginger beer. So thank you for watching.